Hi there, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Piranha flower from the Mario Brothers series. It's really famous, you know, that flower that shoots fireballs. Really simple. I'm going to go through it step by step using this magic marker. You can follow along with me. I recommend you grab a marker and follow along with me. So let's get started. And stay with me, it's only a few minutes. So, right before I do, don't forget to sign up for the email list and the Facebook page. I'm going to announce when I'm going to do a live feed. I'm going to do a live feed within the next month. I just don't know when, and I want to figure out a good time, and then I will announce it to everyone, and it'll be live. So, but it's only a one-time thing. I'm not going to have a re-record of it. So I do want to let you guys know when I do that. So let's get going. I'm going to throw a large curve. I'm thinking of almost like a U shape, but kind of turn, maybe like a hook. And that's gonna be the outside of the lips of the piranha. And then almost the same shape on the other side. Almost the exact same shape. Before I do the inside, I'm gonna draw the teeth. And the teeth are really just kind of large triangles. I can do them on this side since it's aiming this direction. They're just large triangles and they're pretty cool looking. I'm going to pull this in as the inner lip. Bottom row of spikes, obviously I can't come all the way out because I already threw that line in there. But they're all aiming that direction. But they're big, kind of lumbering spikes. So that'd be the inside of the mouth. And I'm gonna throw a tongue here. It's just a large glob shape. I'm going to throw a circle toward the back. And then I'm going to throw the stem it's on. It's this big, giant stem. Throw a line out for the center of the leaf. Circle for the pattern on the body. And I am going to throw a thick line on the outer edge of it. And if you really want, you can throw kind of the inside of the mouth in the darkness. That'll kind of make things a little easier to read. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. If you like that, if you found that okay to follow, please click that like button and share the video. Don't forget to sign up for the email list so that I can give you the announcement of when the live feed is going to be. It's going to be how to draw cute chibi stuff. I'm going to just kind of do that on live. So kind of the chibi form is really fun. All right. Thank you so much. See you later.